Hello and welcome, fellow entrepreneurs. Today we are discussing the exciting world of forex trading and how you can start your journey right here in Dubai with the help of Nija Corporate Services. So let's get started. So most common question, what is forex trading? Let's understand it. Forex or foreign exchange trading involves the buying and selling of currencies on the global market. With a whopping daily trading volume surpassing $6 trillion, it is the largest financial market in the world. Now, benefits for company owners. As a company owner, venturing into forex trading opens up a world of opportunities. You gain access to a highly liquid market, meaning you can easily buy and sell currencies without significant price movement. Plus, the market operates 24/5, offering flexible and the potential for substantial return on investment. So how to start and where to start? Thinking of starting your company in Dubai? Well, let me tell you, Dubai is the perfect launchpad for your forex endeavors due to many reasons. Financial stable environment. Dubai boasts a financial stable environment regulated by Dubai Financial Services Authority (DFSA). With stringent regulations aligned with international standards, you can trust that forex activities are secure and compliant. Tax benefits. Now let's not forget about the tax benefits. While Dubai is not entirely tax-free, its balanced approach to taxation, including a 9% corporate tax on profit exceeding 3,75,000 dirham per year, still offers competitive advantages for forex traders and companies. Business flexibility. Moreover, Dubai offers unparalleled business flexibility from 100% foreign ownership to a streamlined setup process. You have the freedom to structure your business according to your needs and maximize profits. Legal requirements. Now let's talk legal requirements. Before diving in, consulting a government certified forex broker is crucial. These experts will guide you through the regulatory landscape, ensuring compliance with local laws. We at Nija has got you covered. Obtaining a forex license. Obtaining a forex license from the DFSA is a mandatory step. With Nija by your side, you will breeze through the application process armed with the necessary documents and expertise. At last, starting a forex trading company, Dubai offers a multitude of advantages with the support of regulatory bodies like DFSA and economic zones like DIFC. Dubai is your gateway to success in forex market. So what are you waiting for? Let's embark the journey in your forex dreams. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy trading.